Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to check and install Windows updates. Click on the Windows menu right here and type updates. Click on it, check for updates. And basically, whenever you come here, you will want to click on check for updates. So click on check for updates and it's going to scan. And if you're up to date, you have a check mark. If not, it's going to provide you with a list of updates and you can choose when to update it, and also if it needs you to restart it will also let you know. And this shows you if you wanted to pause your updates, you could. This also shows you the advanced options you have in case you wanted to go in there and change some few things if you want to manually do it as well. Now back to Windows updates. Also your update history. These are all your update history. As you can see, the OS updates, the quality updates, the driver updates, which is very important for performance and stability, and definition updates and other updates. So this is very important whenever you're trying to install software. You want to always run your updates. Even if you're not installing software, it helps to always check for updates because it helps the general health of your PC. Alright, that is all for today. Leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy. See you next time.